Today, we're looking at 10 of the very best light leak effects for use in 2020. The stunning light leaks, flares, and effects that we have for you today make it fast and easy to add that something special to your video and photography projects. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Light Leaks by YB VFX. At number 10 today, we have a beautiful floaty 12-pack of Ultra HD 4K video overlays that can be used to add a variety of colors and movement to your footage. This pack is perfect for adding that little touch of magic to footage of nature, weddings, or events. Number 9. 200 Futuristic Light Leaks by Sparklestock. If you're looking for ways to improve your photos and take them to a futuristic sci-fi realm, then look no further than this beautiful light leak package. With over 200 high-res variations to choose from, simply place them over your photo and alter the blending mode to see your image pop. Number 8. 42 Light Leaks 4K by YB VFX. At number 8 today, this punchy pack of 42 4K Ultra HD video overlays and effects has a variety of striking light flares, bokeh, and fast-moving lighting effects. It is perfectly suited to high-energy video content and can be easily edited in your software of choice. Number 7. Electric Light Backgrounds by Themefire. Whether you're in need of eye-catching lightning effects for a graphic design project, a sparky overlay for photographs, or even just a punchy new desktop background, this colorful lightning backdrop is perfect for your needs. With high-quality JPEG images, gorgeous textures, and multiple color options, just download and apply to any type of artwork. Number 6. 22 4K Romantic Light Leaks and Bokeh by Rouge Trader. If a whimsical, elegant video is what you're after, then look no further than this beautiful light leak pack. Shot with unique optical lenses and easily composited into any video editing software, this pack provides gorgeous overlays with ambient, colorful flares, sparkling abstract exposures, and crystallized textural elements, just to name a few. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Filtergrade Light Leaks Bundle by Filtergrade. At number 5, we have this ultimate bundle of Light Leak Photoshop actions. With 32 easy-to-use Light Leak Photoshop actions and 8 custom film effects, these light leaks are super easy to use and can be applied with just one click to give you a gorgeous realistic film look, a soft textural effect, or a colorful blur. They are easy to customize and compatible with Photoshop CS3 or higher to work for all your Photoshop and design project needs. Number 4. 150 Light Leaks Bokeh and Flares by Rouge Trader. Next up, we have the perfect tool to take your videos to the next level. Created from real optical light elements and with a variety of length and styles to choose from, these light leaks, flares, and bokeh give your footage a unique, organic, and colorful look that works well as both an overlay and for video transitions. Number 3. Light Leaks Volume 2 25 Lightroom Presets by Shiny Pixel. At number 3, we have a stunning pack of Lightroom presets that allow photographers to easily add vintage colors and effects to their work. The presets are non-destructive to your images and have been lovingly researched to instantly make your photos look incredible, no matter the style of lighting. Number 2. Golden Light Leaks by Musicant. At number 2, we have an opulent After Effects template. Professionally animated with luxurious text and lighting elements, it's perfect for creating stunning opening credit scenes for your next video project, award ceremonies, and presentations or fashion videos. Simply drop in your images, alter the text, and customize the lighting effects to create your own full HD video. Number 1. 100 Wedding Light Leaks Pack by Cult Video. If you're in the wedding video business and looking for a way to take your creations up a notch, then look no further than this romantic wedding light leak pack. With gorgeous lighting textures, bokeh, and flares, this pack allows you to transport your happy couple's footage to a land of magic and whimsy, giving them a product they'll love to watch over and over. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 very best light leak effects for 2020. Did any of those items catch your eye? Let us know your favorite in the comments below and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups, and check out the next video selected just for you.